Meet the Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat, the next evolution of smart thermostats from Emerson. The Sensi Lite features a modern design and smart features for cost-conscious homeowners, all with the energy-saving features and 100 years of HVAC experience homeowners have come to expect from Sensi products. In the box, you'll find the thermostat base, screws and anchors, wire label stickers, 2 AAA batteries, and your Get Started card. Before you get started, you'll need an Android or iOS device with Bluetooth enabled and the Sensi app installed, Wi-Fi network name and password, your email address, and a small tip Phillips screwdriver. You may also need a drill and a 3/16 bit to mount the thermostat base to the wall. After downloading the Sensi app, sign into your Sensi account with your email address on your smartphone. If you don't already have an account, you can create one at the sign-in screen. Once your account has been created, select the plus sign to add a new thermostat. Select Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat, then select New Installation if your thermostat still needs to be installed. If your thermostat is already installed and you just need to connect the thermostat to Wi-Fi, select Connect to Wi-Fi. Select the appropriate path and follow the step-by-step instructions. After selecting New Installation, you'll need to turn off the power to your heating and air conditioning system from the breaker box or the switch next to the furnace before handling your thermostat wires. Next, remove your existing thermostat cover. With the thermostat base and wires visible, take a photo of the existing wire configuration. If you see a jumper wire, remove it. Sensi Lite is designed for single transformer systems. If you have 2 separate R wires coming from the wall, with one attaching to RC and the other to the RH terminal, you have a dual transformer system and Sensi Lite is not compatible. Do not remove any other existing wires at this step. On the base of your existing thermostat, you'll notice that each wire corresponds with a letter. Record the existing wires by selecting the corresponding letter for each wire in the Sensi mobile app. When you're finished, the app should display you have selected a valid configuration. Next, you'll be asked to identify your furnace type. Select either gas, electric, or boiler radiant. You're ready to label your wires using the provided wire label stickers. Once all of the wires have been labeled, you can disconnect the wires and remove your old thermostat base from the wall. Mount your new Sensi Lite thermostat base to the wall using the screws and anchors provided. Use the built-in bubble level to ensure that it's straight. Connect the wires by matching each labeled wire to the corresponding terminal. Simply push the wires into the terminal slots. Use a screwdriver to secure each wire in place. On the back of the thermostat or on the Get Started insert found in the box, you will find the QR code to connect the thermostat to your Wi-Fi network. Scan this code. You will need to allow Sensi access to Bluetooth to connect properly. If you're having trouble scanning, tap Use PIN to manually enter the code located under the QR code. Install the 2 provided AAA batteries and push the thermostat cover onto the base. Turn the power to your system back on. Now that your new Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat is installed, you need to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Press and hold the Mode button on your thermostat for 4 seconds until the setup and Wi-Fi icons appear. Next, in the app, select your home Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password as prompted. Finally, you will be prompted to name and register your thermostat. You can either choose the Locate Me option, or you can manually enter your street address, city, state, zip code, country, and time zone. Press Next to continue. If you encounter any issues, visit sensihelp.com. We have several support articles specific to any error messages to help you find a solution. Now that your Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat is installed, you'll be able to enjoy easy and convenient control of your home comfort. Wondering where to begin? Here's a few recommendations to get you started. Service reminders are a great way to keep your HVAC system running its best. Use service reminders in the Settings menu to create a reminder from a list of options, including an air filter reminder. Changing your air filter every 3 months keeps your air clean and your system running efficiently. Scheduling can help you save energy by running your heating or cooling system less often when you're not at home. From the thermostat control screen, tap the Schedule icon to set a program schedule. To create or edit a schedule, select Edit Schedules. You can also turn on the geofencing feature, which uses your location to help save energy while you're away. The Sensi Lite smart thermostat integrates with many smart home platforms, including Amazon Alexa, the Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings. Select Smart Integrations in your account settings to get started. You can check your current and past system usage in the app. Just go to Usage on the thermostat control screen. Still need some help? Our highly trained Sensi support team is available 7 days a week to help you connect to comfort.